Hola, welcome to Ida's Kitchen. Bienvenidos. My name is Ida Lugo McAllister and I am going to demonstrate how to prepare Bocadillos de Jamón y Queso, ham and cheese sandwiches. Bocadillo is a flattened grilled sandwich that is served on a long split bread with thin slices of ham and American cheese. Hot dog buns and our bread known as pan sobao are normally used in making these sandwiches. This is a loaf of pan sobao. It is semi-sweet with a soft crust on the outside and a light chewy texture inside. It is similar to French bread. Sometimes I use French rolls when pan sobao is not available at the Latin market. Preheat the griddle to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and let's start preparing the bocadillos. This is our pan sobao. With a serrated knife, I am going to cut the bread into two long sections, around 6 inches. Some individuals prefer to split the bread in half lengthwise, while others like to make a cut 3/4 of the way through the bread. We are ready to assemble our sandwich. We normally don't spread any butter or margarine on the open side of the bread. Let's layer 1/2 of bread with thin slices of ham and American cheese. Cover with the other half of the bread. I am going to prepare another bocadillo, but this time using cheddar cheese. Let's repeat with thin slices of ham and layer with cheddar cheese slices. Cover with the other half of bread. We just finished preparing 2 bocadillos. Before I place the sandwiches on the heated grill, I spread margarine made with olive oil on the outside of the bread, both top and bottom. You can also use soft butter. Place the sandwiches on the heated grill. Bring down the upper plate until it makes contact with the sandwiches. Gently apply pressure to flatten. Grill the bocadillos until the cheese is melted and the bread has a crispy texture on the outside. While the sandwiches are grilling, I am going to share my first experience consuming a bocadillo. For 2 semesters at the University of Puerto Rico, I took 21 credit hours. I attended classes from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. I did not have time to drive home for lunch. One day, during a class break, I was invited to have lunch with some classmates at a local restaurant. I ordered a bocadillo for the first time. I made sure that I sat at the counter to watch the cook prepare the bocadillo. After eating the bocadillo, I asked myself, how can they make a quick and simple sandwich that tastes so delicious? This cooking demonstration is based on how the bocadillos were prepared in the 1970s. I also understand that with time, these sandwiches have been altered to suit personal taste. The bocadillos have been grilling now for 5 minutes. The sandwiches are flattened, the cheese has melted, and they have a crispy crust. The bocadillos are ready. The bocadillo is golden brown and has a crispy texture on top. The last step is to make a diagonal cut to the sandwich. Looks delicious. Let's taste the bocadillo. When you take a bite, there's a crunch due to the crispy outer texture. The bocadillo has the right amount of ham and cheese. It is usually served with a cup of Puerto Rican coffee or a cold martita. Delicious. By the way, Spain invented the bocadillo. They used their own bread, ham, and cheese. However, they drizzle olive oil inside the bread. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare bocadillos de jamón y queso, ham and cheese sandwiches. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, idaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.